5 powerful herbs that naturally reduce anxiety. Before we begin, an important notice to my viewers. I am not a doctor or licensed medical provider. The information shared today is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Everyone's body responds differently to herbs, and some may interact with medications or cause allergic reactions. Please do your own research and always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before adding any new herbs to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have underlying health conditions. Now, let's explore nature's pharmacy. Anxiety is like your mind's fire alarm, constantly alerting you to danger that may not even exist. But what if you could gently reset that system using remedies that have soothed human hearts for thousands of years? Today, we're diving deep into 5 remarkable herbs that have helped calm anxious minds across cultures and centuries. You'll discover their fascinating origins, understand exactly how they work in your body, and learn to create your own calming herbal oils at home. Let's begin this journey together. 1. Ashwagandha, the strength-giving root. Our first herb comes with a name that literally means smell of a horse, but don't let that fool you. In ancient Ayurvedic tradition, this meant it would give you the strength and vitality of a stallion. For over 3,000 years, people in India have turned to ashwagandha during times of stress and exhaustion. Modern science now confirms what ancient healers knew. This adaptogenic root is like a reset button for your stress response. It reduces cortisol, helps regulate the fight or flight response, and nourishes overworked adrenal glands. With daily use, most people notice calmer reactions to stress, better sleep, and sharper focus within 2 to 4 weeks. You can take it in capsule form, or make a golden milk blend with almond milk, cinnamon, turmeric, and honey. You can also make an oil. Lightly crush a ½ cup dried ashwagandha root and combine it with 1 cup sesame or almond oil. Warm it in a sunny window or double boiler for 1 to 2 hours, strain, and store. Massage into neck and shoulders when you need grounding. 2. Lemon balm, the heart-lifting leaf. Lemon balm is like that one friend who always knows what to say to lift up your spirits. Native to the Mediterranean, this gentle herb has been used since ancient Greece to calm what they called troubles of the heart. It works by enhancing GABA in the brain, calming the gut-brain connection, and lifting mood without sedation. You might notice reduced nervousness and better digestion in just 1 to 2 hours after use. Try it as a tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water or add it to cucumber water. You can even toss fresh leaves into a salad. To make an oil, combine a 1/4 cup dried lemon balm with 1 cup jojoba or grapeseed oil. Let it sit in the sun for 2 weeks, strain, and roll onto wrists or behind the ears whenever you feel anxious. 3. Passionflower, the mind-quieting bloom. This beautiful vine has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures in Peru to treat worry and restlessness. It increases GABA in the brain and is especially good for racing thoughts and restless nights. Many people report noticing calmer thinking and easier sleep within 30 to 60 minutes. To use it as a tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried flowers, or blend with chamomile and lemon balm. For topical use, combine a ½ cup dried passion flower with 1 cup olive oil. Warm it gently for several hours, strain, and rub into your chest or feet before bed. Always do a patch test before using new oils on the skin. Note: it is not recommended for use during pregnancy. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before adding any new herbs to your routine, especially if you're pregnant or nursing. 4. Rhodiola Rosea, the resilience builder. Rhodiola grows in the freezing mountains of Siberia and has been used by Vikings for stamina and mental clarity. It doesn't sedate you, it builds resilience by regulating cortisol and supporting dopamine and serotonin. You can take it daily in the morning or as a tincture. Most people notice more focus and better stress control within 1 to 2 weeks. Topical use is rare, but you can create a room spray. Just combine a few drops of rhodiola tincture with lavender hydrosol and distilled water. Mist around your workspace or face during stressful moments. 5. Holy Basil Tulsi, the sacred stress soother. Known as Tulsi in India, this plant is so respected it's grown around temples. It helps lower cortisol, reduces anxiety, and boosts overall well-being emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Drink it as tea with ginger and orange peel, or add Tulsi powder to your morning smoothie. It's gentle enough for daily use and starts working within a few days. To make an oil, combine a half-cup dried Tulsi leaves with 1 cup sesame or sunflower oil. Infuse gently, strain, and add 1 drop of lavender or frankincense oil if desired. Rub into the chest or feet for grounding before meditation or winding down. These herbs don't shut your feelings down. They help create space. Space to pause. Space to breathe. Space to respond with intention. Choose one that resonates with you and begin gently. Keep a journal and track how you feel. Every body is different. What soothes one person might not work for another. Listen to your own system. And remember, your healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it begins with a leaf, a root, or a quiet ritual. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more calm, plant-powered wellness. Share it with someone who could use a little more peace. Because here, we're not just learning. We're rooting for cures.